have a very nice product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a dehumidifier from TOTTE store, and I received it for the valuation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. It's very nicely designed, provided with the sleek appearance. It's also designed with wheels that allow you effortlessly move from one place to another. It also features 4 different modes you can choose from, including dry clothes, auto mode, normal, and fan. The fan speed is adjustable as well as the humidity level. Besides that, it has a timing function between 1 to 24 hours, child lock function, which is very convenient in case you have kids at home. Also designed with the display that displays humidity level, so you can always keep an eye on it, and the operation is very simple with the control panel on the top of the dehumidifier. Besides that, it's designed with the large tank capacity of 6.5 liters, so you don't have to empty it too often. And it also comes with the draining tube, so you can choose any way you prefer the best. Dehumidifier from TOTTE store is very nice. I love the quality. It's very simple to use, and it's so useful and convenient. It covers for up to 6,000 square feet area, so it's perfectly suitable for large living rooms or offices. It's a great addition to any home. Great for bathroom, laundry room, basement, garage, or anywhere else you'd find it useful for. I like this product very much and would highly recommend it to you.